AIM comes with sophisticated tools for modeling future demand, so you can confidently set the right replenishment strategy for your most important products. Here in AIM Forecasting, I can generate future demand scenarios based on my historic performance for individual product lines and locations. First, I plot future demand using a linear or even a seasonal projection. Then I'll adjust that forecast according to my own expectations for sales. And you can see that over here, that's created a model of my demand forecast, the blue line, against my stock on hand, which is being dynamically modeled according to my projected sales, as well as my reorder points and reorder quantities. You can see those minimum and maximum product control lines here. Very quickly, that lets me see the point at which my inventory strategy will fall short of my projected needs. So what I'll do is I'll adjust those stock controls until I'm happy that I can meet upcoming demand. I'll save my model for that product. And I'll set that strategy in motion by submitting those new stock controls into Unleashed. That way I'll be replenishing my stock at the right time and with the right quantities during my regular purchasing cycle.